Hello guys. So guys, I want to show you guys the trade I just took today. Right, I was watching GU and I could see that we were on a massive uptrend, regardless of what can happen in the lower time frame. We were just on a uptrend. As you can see, we have higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and stuff like that. So I could notice that the market left these gap, these humongous, what is this, these gap. So the market is gonna come and fill in that gap eventually, just so you guys know. However, this trade I couldn't hop on it on time because I could have hopped on it aggressive, which is something I never do, because that's what differentiates a great forex trader from a noob, a starter. So many of you guys would have got on this trade right here. Where can I put this? Right here. So I'm gonna just do this right here and aiming the highs. So but me having knowledge that I knew that this was tricky because price would come back and liquidate this area, because this is a gap that price is gonna eventually fill in, guys. So with that being said, I did put on this support and resistance, this tool, just to see if price would, not would, because price did break the trend line. I said to myself, if price comes back to this support, touches perfectly this support, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna have the assurance that get in, hi. Because let me just put on 15-30 minute time frame. Is it right here? So in the 30-minute time frame, you can see that is really clear that is just the support and resistance setup, but the price did not eventually touch it, but it still went my way. Obviously I wasn't gonna buy, so I did wait for this confirmation, right? So as we guys can see, price obviously went up, came back down, did not touch my support tool, then broke the previous high, which you might ask me right now, what high are you talking about? I'm talking about this line. Let me remove this. I'm talking about this that I just put here. This candle right here. This was a high that the market created and broke it right after the market broke that high. I did put in my trade. I got in. My stop loss was just under here. Was risky because the market would come back down and liquidate me, touch the support really. But this is just really forex, from this area right here, from this area to the tool. It is just let me change the color so you guys can really understand. I'm gonna put this color, and then right here I'm gonna put red and red. As you guys can see, in between these two red lines, hi, that's a huge resistance and support in the market, hi. I knew, man, the market is gonna respect this. After that, I just have to hop in. I had to hop in, and obviously I made my analysis way before. I did put this. I don't know how you call this indicator, but I did put this line right here on our previous higher high for the day. Because this, as you guys can see, was on Tokyo session. I knew that usually when London session opens, it's gonna liquidate Tokyo session. Tokyo session and how you call this session? Tokyo session and especially Sydney session. I knew that market is not gonna liquidate Sydney session. to the downside. It was more likely for you to liquidate it on the upside, right? Why do I say that? You might ask yourself, why are you saying that? Because we are on an uptrend, guys. As I already said before, I just analyzed this and I could notice that this is just a huge uptrend. As we can see from days, this been on an uptrend. This been on an uptrend. Stupid uptrend, I mean. So what are my plans for GU? As of now, I don't have plans. I could have hopped on a trade right now, but I didn't because I made my money for the day. So that was separates Forex, really good Forex traders from beginners. Oh, you might say, oh, you saying that you could have hopped in. Okay, this gap got closed. Let me take this out because this is a gap. This right here is a gap. That's why I put these two lines. So let me just remove this and this because I already showed you guys that the trade was very much profitable. We made money today. Really happy. So guys, I really advise you guys taking time and listening to what I'm saying right here, because trust me, I've been through a lot. I'm not saying I'm the best. No. I'm not saying every day you're gonna be goated. No, one day you're gonna lose money, and losing money is very, very frustrating. So I seen this trade right here. I seen that we was on an uptrend. We just broke a high, the high. I I still can hop on this trade. Hi, I still can hop on this trade. This trade, I believe that. Let me change the time frame. I still can hop on this trade right now, but I really don't want to do it because again, I made my money for the day, and I feel like the market can go bearish and just close all gaps. We have this is a humongous gap right here. We have this gap. The market is gonna come in and eventually close that. So guys, for today, that's everything. I'm gonna post this video. Please like, subscribe, share. Let's get up on this shit. I'm teaching the things that you have to pay for. You pay like $1,000, $100. I'm gonna teach you guys for free. Peace out.